Hi everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central YouTube at Pinkee Promise Boutique. If ever there was a perfect wig that had everything that I ever could want in a wig, it is the Raquel Welch Selfie Mode wig. I have Selfie Mode in the beautiful dark blonde color RL 13/88 Golden Pecan. We will take a closer look at the color both indoors and outdoors later in the video. Let's talk about this gorgeous style and why it is so popular. Now, Selfie Mode is made of the true-to-life heat-friendly fiber. It has a very natural density. Look at how beautiful this fiber moves. There's no wig shine. Now you can heat style this using heat tools up to about 320 degrees. You should start your heat tools at 280 degrees. That is usually plenty of heat. This gorgeous style has very romantic waves throughout. Now this is what it looks like when you take it out of the box without combing it. I wanted you to see this. But once you get the comb in here, and I like to use a wide tooth comb as it's easier on the synthetic fiber, it doesn't damage the fiber, and you can see how beautiful this wig is. Once you get the waves combed out, it's just absolutely beautiful. Whenever I wear Selfie Mode, there is a ton of compliments from both men and women. Now, the reason this style is so popular is because it is made with an extended lace front that is beautifully done. Take a look at that, ladies. The lace front melts right into your hairline and it looks like a natural hairline. You have a full monofilament top, so you can part this wig left, center, or right. I currently have it parted in the center, and as you can see, the fiber is quite dense around the parting space. Now, if you wanted to, you could carefully pluck the fiber out of the hair part to make the hair part a little wider, a little more noticeable. If you'd like to watch a video in which I show you how to create a natural looking hair part on any heat-friendly style, I have left the link to that video in the video description box under this video. You can just click and watch. Now, if you'd like to look at colors and shop Selfie Mode, I have left the product link in the video description box under this video. Extend that box, click on the pinkeepromise.com product link, use my discount code Julia30 to save 30% off this gorgeous style. Let's take a look at the cap. Selfie Mode's wig cap is made with the patented Raquel Welch WIGS Memory Cap 3. What's special about this cap is, as you can see, you can probably see that these stretch ribbons are a little bit shiny. That is silicone, and the silicone prevents wig slipping and sliding. We love that. Also, this is a stretch cap, and the silicone grips your head when you put this wig on. It conforms to the shape of your head in about an hour of wear. It's like having a custom fit. In the front, you have an extended lace front, ear tab to ear tab. It is sheer, beautifully done, perfect for all skin tones. You have a full hand-tied monofilament top. It gives you unlimited parting options. On either side, you have velvet adjustable ear tabs, which are very comfortable. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. At the nape, you have this extended velvet nape, and on either side, you have these sleek Velcro adjusters. The adjusters allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. This cap has quite a bit of stretch. The cap size of Selfie Mode is average. It fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, which is exactly my head size. Now I have the adjusters on the loosest setting, and this style fits me perfectly. In fact, there's a little bit of room. I think if you are a petite average, or even up to 23 inches in circumference, you can wear this style without a problem. The heat-friendly fiber is so soft to the touch. It looks like human hair. It moves like human hair. No one will know that you're wearing a wig. This style does not have any permatease that I could find, and I love how natural it lays at the top and then just cascades down with these beautiful waves that flow from the shoulders. Simply stunning. The front fringe of Selfie Mode is 13 inches long. The sides have a layer of 15 inches long. The crown is 17 inches long. The back is 15 inches long. And then the nape is 12 inches long for an overall length of 18 inches. Selfie Mode has a weight of 6.5 ounces. That tells you you have full density. Full density. This wig does not feel heavy at all. The Memory Cap 3 makes this style a pleasure to wear. Let's change the part on Selfie Mode. Currently, I have it parted in the center. Let's part it to the left, just so you can see what it looks like. Parted to the left, you have this beautiful side sweeping fringe here. The parting space looks very natural. Let's part this wig to the right. The fiber is easy to work with. Another gorgeous style just by changing the hair part. If you don't want side sweeping fringe in your face, Selfie Mode easily flips away from the face and you can wear it with full confidence because you have this gorgeous, virtually undetectable lace front. Let's talk about this gorgeous color, RL13/88 Golden Pecan. This is a dark golden blonde color that is evenly blended with a pale gold blonde. You can see that they're evenly blended throughout. I really love this color. It's unrooted. This color just doesn't get as much attention as, say, Shaded Biscuit. I think that this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And you can see at the top how it has dark gold blonde and then a lighter gold blonde. The lighter is also here around the face to brighten the face. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. Another reason to love Selfie Mode, unlimited styling options. You have a full mono top. You can change the hair part wherever you like. You have heat-friendly fiber. You can straighten this wig, add barrel curls, add beachy waves, add tight spiral curls. Whatever you dream up, Selfie Mode can be styled as. This gorgeous wig, I've seen pictures of it in intricate updos for weddings and special formal occasions. It is breathtaking, certainly worth the investment. Now this style does look very natural when it's tucked behind the ear. And of course, you can take a headband, pull back the hair, and secure it into a ponytail. If your hair color matches the Selfie Mode that you buy, you could also probably get away with a high ponytail. You could pull some of the side fringe down just to create a very feminine and romantic look. Give this style a twist. Take your claw clip, clip it in place, and you have got a quick, easy updo that is simply feminine and gorgeous. There's a color for you. Shop colors and purchase Selfie Mode at pinkeepromise.com. I've left the product link in the video description box under the video where you can click and shop. Now, because Selfie Mode is currently sold out, you might want to email support@pinkeepromise.com. I will leave that email address under the product link. You can let Cheryl at Pinkee Promise know what color you would like. She can send you an invoice. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.